Now let's get to the core of this lesson, which is that you are going to make a logo for your teacher. You are going to watch this video closely and learn how to use the tools each step, okay, step by step. You do exactly the same thing as the person in the video does, okay? And then you practice on your own. That means you're going to explore all the tools. Just play with them, okay? And last, make a logo for your client teacher's poster. This is an individual work. If you have 4 people, then person A create one logo, person B another logo, C another, D another. So you have 4 logos. So on Wednesday, you get together. I'll put you guys in the breakout room again, and you are going to share your logos and decide who did the best job. Then as a group, you can adopt that person's work to put on your collective work later on for your teacher's poster. Or you can create a new one and take or adopt each person's strength. Say person A did this part right, great, and person B did that part very unique. So you combine these 4 people's ideas or design and you create a new one. So you have 2 ways to do this logo eventually for your teacher's poster. But for now, it is individual work, okay? So if you watch this video and do this 5 steps, and then you will be in a good shape. Just in case, I want to show you an example that how I design for my personal poster. Okay, I am going to be you, and I will play with the tools. I just learned this as well, so I believe you can do better than me. Okay, yeah, if students do better job than the teacher, I would so happy. So please click this link. You're gonna use this website to create a logo. First step, you're going to click New, and then this dialog pop up. Are you sure you want to erase your current drawing? Yes. And then you are going to add a symbol. I am a tech app teacher, so I want to find an avatar for me. Think about you would like to add your name on your shirt and your name on your shoes, you know. You just feel unique, right? Special. So I want you guys customize the product for your client. So I would go to avatar and find an avatar that is close to my image. Here I have a long hair, I have a black hair. And I think I'd like to dress professionally, so I will pick this one and drag it bigger. Because I'm teaching tech app, I'm going to add another symbol. I want to add a computer screen, you know, symbolized as a tech app. So you can go through all of this and look for it. Oh, you can add a face, but I want something prettier. I don't want to add that silly face on my face. So let's see if we have. You can go ahead and just explore, click one by one. I'm just looking for technology, start with T. By the way, this is these tools are alphabetized, so it's easy to find. Technology, start with T. I want to look for computer screen. Wow, so many of them. So, oh, hey, here. I'll click this, make it bigger, maybe here, but I don't want to, you don't want to put here, then that's too much space, but I want them like combined like this, but I don't want my face is covered. So I'm gonna send it back. So this way my face show. Now I want to add my eyes, but I look through it, I cannot find eyes. Maybe you can tell me if you find it. But I cannot find it on the symbol, but I find it here, add shape. There's so many shapes. So here I find eyes. I will make my eyes smaller. I have smaller eyes compared to your eyes. Duplicate. So I duplicate. See here my eyes. But now I just need my nose and mouth. But I don't know where they are for now. But if you find it, please let me know, okay? And then I want to add text. So I want to put Mrs. Oh, let me drag it. Here. I'll put here. I'll put Mrs. Clark tech, not app, technology app. I want to make it in the middle. Wow, my eyes look like towards the snow. My eyes are one small, one big. Okay. I wish I can have a nose. Where can I find nose, And I wish I can put a smile on my face. Okay, I hope you can find and tell me. So anyway, let's go back. Close here. This is a very quick, simple logo. If you wanted to make it more complex, let's see. You can add some dialogue. Let's see, teacher. Does it have classroom? Here, chat and message. Maybe you want to add something that teacher want to say that represent her or him. Maybe this one. I want this thing go the other way. I want to do one more time because I want this box on my left side, so this little pointed corner has to be on my left side. So then I can add it. So if you want to change the color, you can click here and then you drag. Red is my favorite color, but that's too saturated. I'm gonna do something lighter. Okay, click this. And then I can add another text. I will just say hi. Okay, I just want to give you example. This I want to move to the center. Yeah. And then this dialogue move a little bit here. Yeah, Mrs. Clark looks weird. I need a nose and lips. Okay, anyway, I am learning this tool just today. So if you find um, an awesome way to make a logo, I would love to learn from you. All right. I am looking forward to see your work. All right. Enjoy your creation of logo.